All right, USB smart charger, and by smart I mean with a hidden camera in it. So it's right there, and apparently it have also a lifetime warranty, which is great. That's the box, that's how it arrived. Now let's open it and see what's included and what they give me with this charger, what kind of accessory they give me with it. And of course I will show you a quick way to set it up. All right, let's go. Okay, opening the box. All right, on top of the device we do have the user manual, and then we have some accessory here. In the accessory bag that I just completely destroyed, we do have here adapter, which is a USB 2 to micro SD adapter. So USB 2 on one side, and it has a micro SD card on the other side, and it's good because look, the device comes with a micro SD card, which is a 32 gigabyte micro SD card here. So it comes included with one. And then the next accessory in the bag was this adapter. So it's USB 3 to USB-C adapter. Last accessory in the bag, it's this little pin. Normally you find those when you buy a smartphone. You can use those to remove your SIM card, or also it can be used to push the reset button in some devices. So we have one of those. And now the USB device itself. That's how it looks like. It's all black. Here we go. It's not too big compared to my hand. It's really a regular charger, USB charger. And we can see here the camera, the tiny camera here. What else in the box? It looks like there is some accessory here. Just need to be able to pull the tab. And they give us a bunch of cable actually. Here are some cable with, so it's USB in one side, and on the other side you have the choice between the Apple connector, the USB-C connector, or if you are old style, you have micro USB connector as well. So this cable, which is braided cable, very good quality cable actually, has all those other hands. So USB 2, 3 connector. And the last but not the least, we have another cable, which is USB to USB cable, basic USB to USB cable. And that's it for the box. All right, so first of all, you have to remove the protective film here, otherwise it will block the view of the camera. So remove the protective film, just peel it out like so. So removing the film here, and that will allow the camera to have the best view for your device. Then now it's time to install the micro SD card in the charger. For this you can use this tool included, and then you have to pry open here. You have some seam here on the side of the device, on the front panel, and you have to use this tool to pry open the front panel. All right, that's done. Front panel is off, and now you can see inside the camera. So here on the top we do have the reset hole, where you can reset the device in case if you have any problem. For resetting the device you can use again the tool, the included tool. Then you have a switch to change the video mode between the motion and loop. Loop recording will give you a recording non-stop of video that have a 5-minute length, and motion will just record video when there is motion detected. Here we do have the slot to install the micro SD card. So just slide it like so, and then we push it until it clicks in. Tack, here we go. Micro SD card is installed. Be careful when you touch any of this button and you install the card to don't touch too much the camera, you may damage the lens here. And that's pretty much it. Once the switch for the video mode is set correctly, the card is inserted, everything is ready to go. Just put back the front door here, the front panel on the device. Oops, of course correctly. There we go. It's just clip back in. Again, be sure to leave the hole of the camera non-obstructed. And here we go. Now it's ready to use. All right, this device does not have any battery included in it. That means it has to be plugged to work in order to work. So no matter the video setting you used, you have to plug it first. like so. Here we go. So I've set mine to motion. That means all the time there is a movement in front of the camera, it's going to record. And of course for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes it's going to stop. And record again if there is another motion detected. Also, when you plug the device, you will see a flashing light for a few seconds, and the light will turn off. That will mean that the device is working perfectly. If the light is flashing non-stop, that means you have a problem with the device and you may need to reset it. And to stop the recording and be ready to check, just unplug the device. And now we are going to remove the micro SD card from it and check it on the computer using the included adapter. So just remove it from the device and put it in this adapter and then plug it in the computer to check the recorded video. And that's it, it's very easy. The included cable with all the connector, it's used to recharge, to use this charger as a normal charger. And then you can connect this cable to it, and then you can recharge any of the devices that are compatible with those connectors, so your iPhone if you have one, or any device with USB-C or micro USB. So it can be used also as a normal charger. After all, it's its main function. Now, if you are lazy to open the front panel all the time and remove the micro SD card to read it on your computer directly, you can also use the cable they included, the USB to USB cable, and you plug this cable, one end of this cable in the charger and the other end of this cable on your computer, and then this charger will act like a external card reader, so you can use this to directly read the card, the video on your computer, just leaving the micro SD card in this device, and then you plug this cable here and here you go, good to go. Use this as external drive and you can enjoy your video without the effort of removing the card all the time from the charger.